Global Partners was founded in 2008 to improve the health and well-being of the global communities we serve by inspiring volunteerism throughout Gundersen Health System and local communities. Throughout our 11 years, we've had more than 720 volunteers serve our local and global communities. Each year, volunteer teams directly impact the health and education of more than 4,400 individuals. That impact is not only felt on those we serve, but our volunteers also bring home qualities that benefit our own communities and care of patients here at Gundersen Health System.
I went in with the idea I was going to help others, but coming home, I learned so much more from them. It wasn't what I did, it was what they showed me.
But I think every experience has been a valuable one, either for the individual or for Gundersen.
That's something that I have learned from them. Just we have to go to our fundamentals for medical people, taking histories, doing exams, thinking about things, not relying necessarily all on tests, but really to focus on the basics.
It makes us more adaptable, it makes us more human, and I think we always need to remember that, especially when working with kids, they just want to have fun.
We don't always have to be over the top with all the things that we do. Sometimes it's just getting back to that basics of play, letting them be kids, and then using that play to get the things done that we need to get done in the medical world. And that's just how they express themselves and their thoughts and their feelings. And if we're not listening to that, if we're just thinking, oh, they're just playing, then we're missing out on maybe a big piece of what they're trying to tell us or what we can learn from that experience.
The way that we interact with patients and the way that we care for people changes based on where we are, our location, but also where our patients are. And meeting patients where they are is so, so important. And being able to come out of that, really realizing that maybe we won't be able to change everything about circumstances, but we are able to give people hope.
Being a mentor has really helped me to slow down a little bit and to listen better and just ask more questions. And just really take time to get to know someone and not have an agenda, not have any expectations of where things are going to go, but to just slow down and be present.
Since starting working there and doing these volunteer trips, I've become more open-minded. That's a critical and necessary trait to be able to succeed with this. I've become more tolerant and more patient.
I think a greater ability of flexibility and a greater ability to be flexible with individuals and people here in La Crosse and at Gundersen.
They're not really sure if this person's going to stick around for them, and so they just need to keep showing up and be persistent and to be patient and open and above all be good listeners with our hearts and with our heads when we're talking or interacting with kids.
I think the larger portion of this has kind of helped shift our culture from what happens in this building to outside of this building, and I think it's a wonderful program. Really kind of, shows the dedication that these people in our staff have.
I want to go again. When can I go again? And I think that's the biggest thing to me is it's opened a big part of my heart to want to continue to volunteer in Ethiopia, but in other places too.
One of the things that we do here at Gundersen is to make sure that we're enriching the lives of the communities in which we serve. And wow, what an impactful way of doing this. Members of the community, they truly see the impact that we've made in a short period of time, and I really believe they want to be part of that change that we're trying to make.
I can see that there are differences in the community, visibly. So there's slowly, but better housing. There's more options for food. There's maybe walkways or paths, and there's just signs of improvement within the community, and they're doing that themselves. And that to me is what this was really all about. It's improving the lives of people within that community.
To all of our partnering communities, thank you for teaching us to be more resourceful, grateful, and resilient. And to our donors, thank you for generously supporting our efforts to improve the health and education of citizens locally and globally. To our volunteers, thank you for contributing your time and expertise to every initiative. Through these partnerships, we are improving the lives of the patients, students, and communities we serve. Together, we are enriching every life.